Hello, my name is Mark.
My name is Tim.
At ST9, we want you, our customers, to have the latest and greatest information about the products you're using. And that's why we created these short, informational, and hopefully educational videos called ST9 Tech Talks.
You think we should TikTok these Tech Talks?
Perhaps, Tim. Perhaps.
On today's episode of Tech Talks, we're showing you the art of installing a spring retainer. There's two different methods we'll be showing you, a front method and a method through the top bore. What we have here is your standard Quint X-Gen fluid end cutout, our keeper or spring retainer, a spring, and our X-Gen hardtop pink valve. You're going to want to start off by putting the spring on top of the valve in the center. You're going to take the keeper or the spring retainer and slightly angle it down, and then you take your spring retainer tool and in one motion pop it in. After you pop it in, you're going to want to give it a couple taps just to make sure it's in there properly. And there you have it.
The other method of installing a spring retainer is through the front. So we do the same thing. We put the spring on top of the valve. We place the spring retainer with the nose dipping just below the radius. And we take the crowbar side of our spring retainer, put it in sideways, and we place it about halfway through, and we put some pressure on that spring retainer. With the other hand, we hold it and we walk it back. So you walk it back as far as you can, and you just click it in. And that is it.